So I've been getting a lot of requests to make a YouTube video, but I'm a little lazy to do it. That's the reason I'm not putting frequent YouTube videos. But uh, yesterday's market was a perfect one to show what all you have to do and what all you should avoid taking. Uh, so I'll just show you what happened on yesterday's Banknifty trade. So I was trading Banknifty. So Nifty was clearly bullish from the morning onwards. See, yeah, it was clearly bullish from morning. But Banknifty, after this large bar, I think this was a fat finger mistake. Uh, some large order got executed. Like that's the reason you see this kind of large bar. But I didn't take any trade until this moment. I didn't take any trade until this moment. When it actually broke out that particular resistance level, see, it was trading around this level for a long time. When it broke out this particular resistance level with this last two candle with the required volume we need, see, I took the trade from there, and see, the trade was around 940. Yeah, sorry, yeah, around 940. I was able to ride the entire move till this point, like 10:30, so around 30 to 40 minutes. uh, Usually you don't get this much big move every day, but when you get it, you have to just go along with it and enjoy it. So after I took the trade, so my stop loss was here, the super trend. So until uh, that wasn't touched, I'm not going to sell it. So that's the reason I got the entire move. Okay. After that move, what happened? I started trailing my stop loss, and my stop loss got triggered. Why? Because of the RSI. See, RSI went above 80 level, it went till 87. See, 86, 87. So all about on. So anytime a profit booking can come. So I started trailing my stop loss closer to the price. So when it went above 80 itself, not even 87, whenever it went above 80, I started doing that. But I was able to get a very good move from here to here. So this was actually a very clear and perfect trade. Uh, yeah. So after that, what happened? That's the thing we need to know. So after that, what happened? See, after that, there was a trade available here. Okay. So my webinar participant would understand why I say there was a trade available here. I won't be able to explain the whole thing now. And there was a second trade available here. This one, and see, this one, this trade, this particular candle. So post that, what happened? Started playing around VWAP for a long time, and finally the breakdown happened. The breakdown happened with enough volume. Yeah, two candle, everything was there. But what was the issue? So the issue was it's around 12:30 it happened. So see the wicks. What was the wicks? Let's see. Just a moment. Having a small issue with the internet, I guess. See, uh, around 12:20, 12:30, the VIX was actually falling. It wasn't going up. So how can I go and take a put trade here? That's the reason I didn't take a put trade here, because a lot of reasons actually. One was the VIX wasn't falling. Okay, the VIX wasn't rising actually. Sorry, the VIX wasn't rising, and all the global markets were in positive territory yesterday. All the global markets. So this was a closing price, but see, the Asian markets closed before our market closed. Everything was in positive territory. Even the Dow futures are good, and the European index. So with that in mind, and the VIX not rising, how I'm going to take a short trade here? I didn't take a short trade here. So what happened? So I was just waiting. I wasn't taking any trade. I was just waiting about what's happening. So actually, it came and tested the breakout point. See, this was a breakout point. It actually came just below the breakout point. See, and it reversed. And reversed how? See, it broke the super trend and it broke the VWAP in one go. So that's the power of the this rally. So that's why if you took a put position, you would have got, like, I don't know where you will take here or whatever, but it wasn't strong enough. So there's no point in taking a put position. See, and how it went. This was a massive move, massive move. But I wasn't taking any trade in this move itself. I was not taking. I took the trade around this level. When it came again to the VWAP level, I took the trade. Why? At that point, see, this happened around 12:12. Yeah, 2:12. Sorry. And see, at that point, see, it came the the wicks actually fall to the lowest level intraday. So it went around 17, 17.5, 17.7 or something. So I was sure there's going to be an up move, but I was never expecting this much big up move, but I knew there was going to be an up move, maybe towards the intraday high. But what happened after I took the trade, I was able to ride the entire move. Why? It never touched my stop loss. That's the reason I was able to trade the entire move. My stop loss would have been the subtrend. So once it touched there, yeah, I would have cut my position. But it didn't happen. But I actually sold off towards the end. I don't want to carry over position. Yeah, even though it's really bullish, and probably on Monday also you can see the continuation of this up move. But I don't carry much position to the next day. So I was able to make like a good money around this level and from this level. But I didn't participate in this move. Not at all. You don't have to participate every move. You just wait for your time and just enter at that time. Otherwise, just leave it. See, the last 3 4 days, see what was happening the last 3 4 days. Last 3 4 days was like clearly sideways, clearly sideways. These moves are not enough to make good money. You just avoid or just stay away. Yeah, you make few money and just stay away. That's it. Yeah, this was the only good move on the last 3 4 days. Yeah, on Wednesday there was a move towards the end. Yeah, that was the one. Otherwise, this was like a seller's day, like option sellers day, option sellers week actually. Finally, the breakout happened, and I think probably the Bank Nifty is going somewhere to 30,500 to 30,700 level, somewhere there. Yeah, I think it should go before this expiry itself, before this Thursday. But there's no point in buying a call option and just waiting until the next Thursday or something. That doesn't work. Okay, so it should be in intraday, and it should be like you have to book the profits when you get it, not just holding it till Thursday and all. Doesn't work like that. So many might have lost money in this move. Why? What they did actually in this move? See, so people who have gone short, what would have happened? What they did was they were actually trying to trap the people. How? Because if they want to write this particular option, what they want to do? They wanted to get it at higher price. So what happened in the morning? So the price actually came down. See, this particular option, just for an example, see from here 570 it came to 360. Okay, so they took it higher again, trapped the people somewhere here, because many people would have gone on put position thinking it's going to fall, trap the people here and then took it down again. So it was bull trap perfect bull trap. And how do you identify the bull trap? See, VIX gave an indication, the world markets gave an indication, and see here when the RSI reached 20 level, like whoever who has gone on the put side should actually cover the position from here. They should have booked the profits. But with this quick up move, I don't think they would be able to make much profits on the put side. Yeah, if you would have took the position from here, maybe, but who knows? It's going to go this much. We don't know. So this is clearly bullish. So I think next week on Monday itself we'll be able to see the continuation of this move. Like, don't try to short this market yet. That will be foolish move. It's not done yet. The rally is not done yet. Like we'll give perfect indication when it's done. So still it's perfect. Like it can still go up. Like uh, looking at the daily RSI and all, it's still fine. So don't try to short the market. And yeah, Nifty almost similar. Nifty was like the same pattern, but except the move happened from the morning itself. So otherwise, it's almost the same pattern. Yeah. So yeah, anything else? See, another thing I just wanted to show you. If someone who wanted to take a position to Monday, they could have easily looked at this particular chart and see what happened here. See, 30,500 call, 32. No, don't look at the far out of the money. So 30,500 call, it's good. 31,000 is also fine. See, all these calls. See the amount of the change in price and the amount of open interest added. It's clearly bullish. So this could have, see, in Nifty also, see, everything is clearly bullish. You could have easily took a position to Monday. Yeah, unless and until if there is no like really bad news, even a dip will be bought and it will be taken higher. So this gives you clear indication like it's clearly bullish. Okay, on other side, see all the puts how badly they return. See the price change, see the openness change, everything. So this gives you an indication like what's going to happen, and this would have been given you an indication like not to take a put side trade. Yeah. So I hope that helps. So most of my webinar participants they'll understand much better what I'm saying. So and people who know all these technical terms, yeah. But I hope this helped you all. So